Hey y'all, I wanted to get on here and make a video. Excuse my face, it's all sweaty looking. I just got off work. Today's the day we actually work a little late, so I just got home. I'm trying to find my pre-workout. It's probably in my car. So I'm about to go to the gym, but I really wanted to talk about some things because as I have been working in a dentist office, I have found out some things, like how important it is to have your halo top not fall out of your fridge. How important it is to have your repair. Now, this is if you have teeth. This is if you have dentures. You will still need to have your gums checked, and you will still have to have your cancer screening done. But if you have implants, it is so vital that you have your implant cleanings. I have seen time and time again where a lot of people who have implants think, boom, boom, got fake teeth, don't gotta do anything. Well, it's a lie. To preserve what you have paid so much money for, you need to keep them. And that means going to your dentist every 6 months and having them cleaned and having your implants cleaned. It's sad to see people lose their implants because they chose not to take care of the investment that they themselves paid for. So I just wanted to tell you guys, cleaning, implant cleaning. It's called implant maintenance, but definitely stay on it. Definitely make sure you're doing your appointments. Because it's important, guys, and you want to keep your implants. Like, literally, you spend that much money on them, you want to make sure they stay around forever, or at least most of your life. But I just want to get on here and just make a real quick video. I'm going to get back on here and I'll make some more videos later. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm doing good. I'm going to the gym a lot. I have somebody very special in my life. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a blessed week. Bye.